afternoon, Monday afternoon. Great weather. We're in Hammerskral today as the Leadership Monhla Foundation, a place called Ganana. I got a text actually over my DMs on Instagram a few days ago from a young lady telling me about a tragic situation that happened at home when she was at work overnight. That heavy rain came and went, and it took her family, and her mother's house was left without a roof, and all her furniture was exposed. And when I read that, I felt like we needed to do something. I needed to come down and help where we could. And we did. We followed up immediately, and along with my team, and we're here. As you can see, obviously, I've got a construction on site right now that's currently fixing the house and doing all they can. We're trying to work as fast as we can to get them back into their house and make sure they are safe and not exposed to the rain, as this weather is really skeptical and you can never tell what will come next. It's our day 3 here on the ground and everything's going according to plan. Take a walk with me. Let me show you inside, and let me show you that sometimes you don't have to be heavenly. You don't have to be somebody that excuse me for that. Just a car passing. Obviously we are in a village. You don't have to be the richest person. Take the little that you've got and try to help the next person. You never know what God can do for you, And they always say, put your cameras aside when you're helping other people. And this is not because we want to show people or we're trying to show off that we can do what we do. It's because we don't know who's going to see this video, and tomorrow they might need our help. And for as long as I've got the little that I've got, along with my team, we will help where we can. As you can see, we'll share with you guys almost everything that we do, from start to finish, as you've seen. Like I said, let's go inside. Let me show you exactly what we're doing. It looks amazing. I've got a construction on site from Limpopo that's currently building my other house. Another house in Limpopo that we're working on, and it's a company that they're willing to definitely, they have the same mindset. They want to see us help other people. They also willing to help, They're not even overcharging us, but it's a black business and it's black on black, so we support them. Come on inside. You can see what the rain did. If you look a bit further deep into the side, you can see the previous roofing. It's currently on the ground. The cementing, it was big damages, big damages. But we're here now, we're going to do all we can to make sure that things do go back to normal as soon as possible. If you look into the yard, a bit more cleaner now, definitely. And the guys are having lunch. If you look on the farm left that side, they're definitely having lunch, and everything looks amazing. So I'm going to order though. Many kilometers to get here. They traveled overnight to get here. I was on the call with them the whole time. Guys, come on, let's get there. They did make it, and lovely. It's always amazing working with people who have the same passion and drive to empower. And that's just who I am. That's what I live. Let me walk in the house. Let me show you exactly where we're going and the progress, how it looks, so you are able to understand the overall outcome that will be here in a few days. So the guy promised me, the CEO of the construction said to me, I'm giving you 5 days and this house will be back to normal. Let's see if we can pull it off. This is where the most painful part looks. On this side, we've got the bathroom that's fully exposed. It's out in the open. If you go inside, you have a look, and you'll realize that the top, the bathroom, everything is really, it's a project that it's just about building a whole brand new house. Honestly, it's putting together a structure that's been broken down, and we fear such responsibilities, yet we love taking them on. So I'm definitely feeling very blessed to be here. This is the mom's bathroom. The bedroom, bedroom. You can see our construction is already on site. The ladder already operating. If you look up, you can see it's fully exposed. The ceiling is fully damaged. Major damages that happened here. But however, we'll make sure that we do what we can to make sure they're pretty fine. And on to the next room. If you look on the floor, man, it's pretty painful, but it happens. It's part of life. This is obviously the children's room. If you look, we're forced to put the bed on the side. Look at the wall. There's major damages. If you look on the side, the wardrobes have been piled in one place. Everything is in a complete mess. But I know that God is alive and God is around, and through God we can do almost anything we can. And today I'm here in a heavy heart. I am here because it pains me to see another black person in such a condition, where she has built her house on her own along with her family, and just something as useless as rain and wind can come and destroy it like this. But we're here, and we want to make sure everything goes back to normal. We want to make sure that we can do the little bit that we can with the little bit that we actually have. English can be a problem sometimes, but this is basically the full inside area, and we are doing all we can. We're working as hard as we can to make sure that everything does go back to normal, and till the last day, till I see them smiling back in the house and really enjoying their times watching TV, sleeping peacefully in their bed, I will not rest. I will not stop. God bless.